Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start inside Photos. Tap Select, then pick the images you want to share. You can choose single photos or a batch. Once done, tap the Share icon so options appear. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled if you plan to use a share link. This stores the full resolution image in iCloud. If the receiver is nearby, AirDrop is faster. Otherwise, a share link keeps file quality and makes future edits update automatically. Now you create the link. Tap Share and look for Copy iCloud Link or Add People. Choose Copy iCloud Link to generate a shareable URL. You can also use Add People to control permissions. Decide whether recipients can add or edit. Once generated, the link is copied automatically. Paste it into Messages, Mail, or any app. Make sure to tell recipients the link expires in 30 days unless you change settings, so they download before it disappears. Finish up by confirming delivery. Send the link and ask the recipient to open it. You can test by sending it to yourself first. If the link won't generate or recipients report errors, make sure iCloud is signed in, iCloud Photos has enough storage, and your network is stable. Once fixed, regenerate the link. If problems persist or you need immediate transfer, use AirDrop for local devices or attach originals in mail for reliable delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.